ठीक है, लास्ट वाला वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर किया था ये चैप्टर 2 एनिमल वर्ल्ड का। अब हम लोग बुक्स के एक्सरसाइज हैं वो कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट में है चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। सो द क्वेश्चन, द बॉडी कवरिंग ऑफ एन एनिमल हेल्प इट टू, विच वन विल बी? द विल बी live in a particular habitat. The second question, the breathing organs of amphibians are lungs, gills, body surface. Will be all of these. Third number, frog and lizard catch their prey by using their forelimbs, sucking tube, sharp teeth, sticky tongues. That will be sticky tongue. Fourth number will be snake move through limbs, scale or plates, fins and claws. That will be scale and plates. Snake having na, they have. Sixth number is what? Plants and flesh eating animals are called what? Flesh eating animals, that is omnivorous. ठीक है. And seven number, an animals or bird that does not migrate is, that will be polar bear. Siberian salmon that lotocuts, it was what? Migratory bird, but this is polar bear is not migratory bird. Now question number D. D is what? Tick the odd one out giving reason. जो आउट ओड है उसको हम लोग को आउट करके एंड रीजन बताना है कि वो क्यों है. ठीक है. फर्स्ट इज लायन, स्नेक, डियर, वॉल्फ. ओके, सो व्हाट विल बी? स्नेक. बिकॉज जो स्नेक है वो कैसे चलते हैं? दे हैव स्केल एंड प्लेट्स. बट लायन, डियर एंड वुल्फ दे हैव लेग्स. सेकेंड इज काउ, रैबिट, रैट, स्क्वारल. विल बी काउ because cow is what? Cow is herbivorous, and rabbit, rat and squirrel is what? That they are rodent. Okay. Now kiwi, crow, ostrich, emu. That will be crow. Okay, because kiwi, ostrich and emu, they are what? Flightless bird. They can't fly. Okay. And now fourth question is cow, dog, lizard and camel will be lizard. Okay, because other they use to move. Okay, when they are moving with the help of their limbs, but lizard, what they do? They crawl, na? Here E number is what? Give two example of each. We have to give two example. First is what? Rodent. Rodent, rat and rabbit. जो कुरेद के खाते हैं ना, rabbit and rat. Second is migratory bird, जो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हैं. What will be? Siberian crane and Arctic tern. Insect with wings, that will be locust and the housefly. Okay, now you see here is what? Now next is what? That quick assignment is there that we have to do. Okay, so quick assignment is what? Rewrite the following sentence correctly. इसको फिर से लिखना है करेक्ट करके. First is what? A whale is a fish and it breathes through gills. Okay, what will be? A whale is a mammals. Answer will be a whale is a mammals and it breathes through what? Blowholes. Second number, crow and pigeon are flightless bird. Crow and pigeon they can fly, but what will be? Here is saying flightless bird. कौन उड़ नहीं सकता है? That so will answer will be ostrich and emu. Okay. Now third number, carnivorous have well developed incisors. ठीक है, तो क्या होगा? Carnivorous have sharp pointed front teeth to tear flesh. Fourth number, bird have teeth to eat their food. No, birds will be not. That will be human. Human have teeth to eat their food. 5 number, snake have legs to move. What will be? Snakes move on their scales. Now B number is what? Unassemble the organ of breathing of the animals following animals. ठीक है, fish. तो इसको हम लोग को असेंबल करना है. ठीक है, fish. तो क्या होगा? गिल्स. GILLS. 2 number is amoeba. How they breathe? With the help of body surface. BODYSURFACE. Third is men. How they breathe? With the help of lungs. LUNGS. Insect, that is what? Sparicles. Air tube is called what? Spiracles. 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 Now, C number, fill in the blanks is there. So first question is, the process of burning of food with the help of oxygen inside the body is called, that will be respiration. Respiration. Second number, butterflies and bees suck nectar from flower with the help of dash. What will be? That will be proboscis. Third number, turtle and tortoise use their dash limbs to push water. So the will be padded like. Fourth number, the dash is a migratory bird that make longest migration. Which bird will be? Arctic tern. Okay. Now at last, match the following is there. So we have to match. Snail and turtle will be what? Protecting by shell. Birds, it will be what? Breathing through lungs. Cow and deer is what? Herbivorous. Emu and ostrich will be flightless bird. Reptiles will be what? Reptiles is what? Scales on the body. Okay. So thank you class.